clothed in our national pride, our flag, our identity to the world. Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia chose the colour red. Not only it represents our national flag, but it also represents the Heilala flower. A flower that speaks about love. It speaks about harmony. The colour white symbolises peace. Tonga, the only place on earth where Sunday is so sacred that the only place open on a Sunday in Tonga is the house of God. The long sleeves of her PULETAHA is a sign of respect. The sleeves and bottom half of her tupenu are woven to imitate the Tongan mat. It's a tribute to our women, the weavers and the keepers of our Tongan culture. The PULETAHA signifies humility, peace, respect, and above all, love. Created and designed by the House of Lavache Contour. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 1, Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia in the PULETAHA category, Ana Lipisa Tanovasa Choli.
There's a nation I can't hide. There's a town, no alofa, and it's calling up to me. So I return to my island across the sea. Kingdom of Tonga, Kingdom of Tonga, Kingdom of Tonga, Kingdom of Tonga.